Welcome to our channel of reviews of essential kitchen appliances. Today, we're going to talk about this incredible ice maker. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the latest news. Leave your like to help us grow, and watch until the end to check out all the details of this in-depth review. To make things easier, we've left the secure link to the website that sells this ice machine in the description and comments attached. The G-Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker is a game changer for anyone who loves the refreshing crunch of nugget ice. With dimensions of 17.5 inch dx 13.43, wx 16.5 h, this compact machine fits perfectly on your countertop, offering convenience and efficiency. One of the standout features of this ice maker is its ability to produce the good ice. Unlike traditional hard ice cubes, nugget ice is chewable, crunchy, and retains the flavor of your beverages. This is achieved by compacting ice flakes, making it perfect for cocktails, sodas, and other refreshing drinks. The Opal 2.0 is capable of producing up to 38 pounds of ice per day, which translates to 1.6 pounds per hour. You'll never have to wait long for your ice, as the machine starts producing the first batch in 10 minutes or less. The removable drawer holds up to 3 pounds of ice at a time, ensuring you always have enough for your needs. This ice maker is equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and voice control capabilities. By pairing it with the SmartHQ app, you can monitor the status of the device, schedule fresh ice production, and receive automatic software updates. The app also allows you to control the ice maker using voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant. The Opal 2.0 includes a 0.75-gallon water tank, eliminating the need for an external water source. This tank can produce up to 3 times more ice and is easily detachable for refilling and cleaning. Cleaning and maintenance are hassle-free with the advanced cleaning system designed to sanitize and decale the machine regularly. This helps keep the ice tasting fresh and ensures optimal performance. Please note that the water filter, P for ink filter, and cleaning kit, P for INKCLEN, are sold separately. Positive points. Nugget ice quality. Produces chewable, crunchy nugget ice that retains the flavor of your beverages. High ice production. Capable of producing up to 38 pounds of ice per day with a quick start time of 10 minutes. Smart features. Built-in Wi-Fi and voice control through the SmartHQ app, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Large capacity. Holds up to 3 pounds of ice at a time with a 0.75-gallon side tank. Convenient cleaning. Advanced cleaning system for easy maintenance. Negative points. Price. The high-tech features and premium quality come at a higher price point. Maintenance cost. Additional cost for water filter and cleaning kit. Size. Although compact, it still requires adequate counter space. Should you buy it? If you love nugget ice and want a reliable, high-capacity ice maker with smart features, the G-Profile Opal 2.0 is a fantastic investment. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys entertaining or simply loves having a constant supply of high-quality ice. However, if you're on a budget or have limited counter space, you might need to consider these factors before purchasing. Let me know what you think of this ice maker in the comments, and if you have any questions, let me know so I can answer them. If you've watched this far, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss any new videos.